which is 10 kilograms. Very big bag. My rabbit food, not opened yet because I haven't finished using the other one yet, which is inside the box. Okay, so going to see my bed. Morning. I'm glad we're in a separate room because she's very loud in the morning. Wow. Oh, so this is my kitchen. This morning. And 2 bags of potatoes, red potatoes. Cabbage is making sauerkraut. Cardboard paper in an old fish tank. A dish that had the chicken in it. Oranges for breakfast. Dish that had a chicken in. So yeah, I'm keeping my kitchen clean after Granda's smile was here. So I'm maintaining that clean. I don't know how they said it was dirty. I really don't. They're lies. My bathroom. Yeah. This is the empty room with the ceiling. So they made an excuse and said they wouldn't refurbish my bathroom because it was flooded and it was too dirty. So they blamed it on me. Any crisis that happens. And this is a total lie. Coming from this Casey from Thrive. And then there's my dining room. They said the floors were very dirty. Which again it can hoover and some hoovering there that needs to be done and cleaned. But my floors are not as dirty as she makes out to be. So they're lying to get me into trouble. I've got straw in here next to my DVDs. Good morning, Bad. Budgie. What was I doing in here? What? Sha. Checking that you've got plenty fresh water. Okay. My walking stick. Sha. I can't believe how much they've attacked my home to blame me for the bathroom not being refurbished. And also to blame me for not having a plan to fix that, to fix the leak from the bad tank. Well, bathroom and bad tank. Sha. So she's got plenty of millet spray in there. Yeah, I've ordered some more. She's got plenty of food there for breakfast and millet spray. Haven't you, Sha? And you like to make a lot of noise in the morning. Now, what did I come in here for to do? Sha. I've got someone to remove the paint from the legs off of my table. And make it natural colour, and the chairs. This is an old TV that needs to go. So from this cage, she will then have new perches up there. My bird to fly from the big cage to the small cage with the doors shut. That's the proper plan. And I now not remember why I've come here. In line with this sand, which is very heavy to go up for my pet. Mix the bird sand in. Before breakfast in there so that she can urinate there and it absorbs it in because she likes it up there. She can't jump outside the window. Yep, so I'll be doing that next. This is how it looks like. The sand up there. Because she had urinated up there. So now she has 2 layers. And that when she urinates up there, it's going to be absorbed and clumped up. Oof. Wow. That was my challenge complete. Time to eat my orange.